sounds really ugly, like some metals crashing, and the gearbox is really hard. Look, to put first gear, it's really hard. I don't want to mess it up. And in reverse, well, fuck. Well, it sounds shit. It's neutral again. Sounds really bad. And this is the sound from the engine when you press the clutch. Dale, aprieta. Aprieta el embrague. Every time you push the clutch, sound that way. That's a gearbox flywheel one. Now I'm on reverse. I just put reverse before to start the car. And then when I press the clutch, the car is like doing this, you know, like shaking. Now I think I'm going to turn it off again, put neutral, and then put first gear and start it over from first, because it's really hard to change the gear with the engine working. I feel like the clutch on this first part, it doesn't make anything, and from the middle until the top, it's like clutching, you know. I think before it's just like a kind of loose, and it sounds like the way you heard. Now I have the first gear before. Now I'm just taking the car into the garage, you know, and with the clutch full press down, I feel like the car is shaking, like he wants to stop, you know, but I'm not letting. Now neutral, everything okay again.